Hey everybody, putting some bows away today. I just want to show you what I do with my bows. I like to just put big ones in the one. See? Ooh la la. I buy a lot of bows because I go through so many. I send multiple to multiple different people. So I put the big ones in here, and then there's another one. That's disgusting. That is so wrong. So there's my big bows. And then here's my little ones. I think there's like, I don't know, 80 something bows in here. So I put them in here. See? Ooh la la. Now, see that? Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Those ones, and then big ones, and then boom, done. Bow supply. Bye!